Clarks Inn. Clarks Inn Srinagar is easy to access from the airport. In fact, you can even book your airport transfer in advance for greater peace of mind. A stay at Clarks Inn Srinagar also comes with easy access to the neighborhoods around the hotel through the convenient shuttle service offered at the hotel. For those who wish to drive their own cars, Clarks Inn Srinagar has a car park right on site for maximum convenience. You may request early check-in or late checkout during booking, subject to availability. Car parking is free for guests. If you are looking for an easy way to get around Srinagar with private transportation, the hotel can arrange car rental for you. Restaurants including Punjabi Tadka, the Chinar at the Lalit Grand Palace, Srinagar, Aroma Restaurant are popular in Clarks Inn Srinagar's neighborhood, which is known as Dal Lake. This property in Srinagar Baba Dem is accessible from the Srinagar International Airport, which is 12 kilometers away. This hotel has a total of 75 well-appointed rooms spread over 5 floors, equipped with essential requisites. Rooms include conveniences like room heater, temperature control system, coffee tea maker, welcome amenities, mini bar and ensuite bathroom with toiletries. Hotel Asian Park has facilities that include restaurant, banquet facility, gift shop and lobby area with 24-hour front desk and travel counter. Business facilities such as business center, fax, photocopy, conference and banquet hall are all accessible to guests. Cleaning services such as laundry, dry cleaning, shoe shining and ironing are also available. List of transport that offer ease of access include TRC bus station, 2 kilometers, and Srinagar railway station, 12 kilometers. Places of interest around the hotel include Hari Parbat, 4 kilometers, Nigin Lake, 10 kilometers, Shalimar Bagh, 8 kilometers, Mughal Garden, 9 kilometers, and Shankaracharya Reserved Forest, 9 kilometers. With its location just 3 kilometers from the city center and 12 kilometers from the airport, this 3-star hotel attracts numerous travelers each year. You can book your airport transfer in advance for greater peace of mind with the additional charge of 600 rupees. At Hotel Center Point, the excellent service and superior facilities make for an unforgettable stay. This hotel offers numerous on-site facilities to satisfy even the most discerning guest. 31 rooms spread over 5 floors provide a warm and pleasant home away from home. Modern comforts such as television LCD plasma screen, complimentary internet access, air conditioning, heating, wake-up service can be found in selected rooms. Besides, the hotel's host of recreational offerings ensures you have plenty to do during your stay. Located in the lovely area of Dal Lake, Swan Group of Houseboats enjoys a commanding position in the sightseeing, romance, family fun hub of Srinagar. Take advantage of a wealth of unrivaled services and amenities at this Srinagar houseboat. The houseboat offers access to a vast array of services, including 24-hour room service, free Wi-Fi in all rooms, daily housekeeping, taxi service, ticket service. The houseboat offers fantastic facilities, including garden, water sports to help you unwind after an action-packed day in the city. Enjoy unparalleled services and a truly prestigious address at the Swan Group of Houseboats. Nestled in the heart of Dal Lake, Hotel New Mamta, a pure vegetarian hotel, is an ideal spot from which to discover Srinagar. The hotel lies few meters from the city center and provides accessibility to important town facilities. For sightseeing options and local attractions, one need not look far, as the hotel enjoys close proximity to Kheber Hospital, Munawar Plaza, Sandarmal Shopping Center. The closest bus station is TRC bus station, 1.0 km away from Hotel New Mamta. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also press the bell icon for latest video updates.